So, what is a stock? Now that you've created your budget and have fully funded your emergency fund, you're ready to start investing. So I know what you might be wondering. I want to invest, but I don't know the right place to put my money. So today I'll be covering what a stock is, how can you obtain your first free stock, and how you can get started on the journey of becoming financially fit. Stay tuned. A stock is a share or ownership of a company. It entitles you to a percentage of the profits that company makes throughout the year, and also gives you the ability to vote on some major decisions that are going on in the company throughout the year. Now that you know what a stock is, why do companies sell stock? Companies want to grow and expand, and to do this they need money. So in order to raise money, they actually sell partial ownership of the company to buyers like me and you. Now I know what you might be asking, how can I make money from a stock? So there are two key ways to make money from a stock. One is capital appreciation, and the other is dividends. So with capital appreciation, this is the typical way that most investors make money from a stock. You buy a stock, it appreciates over time, and you sell it at a gain. The second option is dividends. The owner of a stock is entitled to his or her share of a portion of the profits or reserves that the company has on hand. And the company usually pays out these dividends on a monthly, quarterly, or annual basis. So just by owning a stock, you can actually make money on a monthly, quarterly, or annual basis. The more you own, the more dividends you can get from that company. Companies usually pay out dividends in a couple different forms, but the main form is either cash or more company stock. I would recommend reinvesting your dividend gains right back into the company. So that means next time around, you can actually gain more and more money as they pay out more dividends, because now since you're actually getting stock from the company, you're going to be owning more and more stock that's coming directly to your brokerage account every month, every quarter, or every year. So what stocks would I recommend for you? So first, invest in what you know. Investing in the stock market is definitely not easy. There are so many different types of stocks you can pick. So how do you make the distinction of what to buy and what to sell? Most individuals have either purchased from or utilize the services from the companies like Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google. So if you're already using these services or you're already paying the money on a monthly basis, you should invest in them. You'll be able to take part in the gains that they're actually receiving throughout the year, and also enjoy the benefits of being an owner of the company. Other good alternatives can be fast food chains, things like Chipotle or McDonald's or Starbucks, things that you buy on a weekly basis or a daily basis that you're putting your money into already. You can actually gain from it by not only buying the food, but also getting the profits for every dollar they make. Now, if individual stock picking isn't for you, what I would recommend is the S&P 500. The S&P 500 is a compilation of 500 of some of the largest companies within the US. That's going to allow you to have some exposure across a broad range of different sectors within the US market. And so now that you know about the pros and cons of owning a stock, how can you buy one? The good part about the stock market is that it's very accessible. Most, if not all, stocks can be purchased on your phone or on a laptop fairly quickly, and the setup for a brokerage account usually takes about, 10 or 15 minutes. I would recommend a discount broker like Robinhood because they offer fee-free investing with no account minimums to actually get your account up and going. So in summary, if you want to build wealth and become financially fit, owning a stock is a key piece of that puzzle. Stock investing is meant to help you grow your net worth over the long haul, and you should go into it with the mindset of a long-term investor. Diversification is key when investing in a stock, so make sure you do your research about the company beforehand so you know exactly what you're getting into when you purchase your stock. So, what stock are you going to get? Leave a comment below and let me know the stock that you want to purchase or something that you already have in your portfolio. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the page and hit that bell notification so you can stay updated on my posts that we have out on a weekly basis. Also, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one.